it is said there is nothing equal to knowledge and there is nothing more precious than knowledge. Knowledge is ultimate and eternal. Equal to knowledge, nothing lies. Understood? Now we'll deal 10th question of exercise 2.2 from triangles chapter, which states the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersects each other at the point O. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersects each other at the point O. How? Such that AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. The diagonals intersect each other at O in such a way that AO by BO becomes equals to CO by DO. Okay. Now what we have to show is, we have to show that ABCD is a trapezium. We have to show ABCD is a trapezium. What is this trapezium? Trapezium is, we need to show that a pair of sides parallel to each other. That means in quadrilateral ABCD, we need to show AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. If we show AB is parallel to DC, then we have shown ABCD is the trapezium. Okay. So ABCD is the trapezium only when if AB is parallel to DC. We have to show that. How will show? We need to do some construction. So we have done some construction here. EF is parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB. If EF is parallel to AB, EF is parallel to AB, we have constructed. And next what we need to do is, EF is also parallel to DC, we have to prove. Okay. So by construction EF is drawn parallel to AB, and by this we have to prove that EF is parallel to DC also. When EF is parallel to AB by construction and EF is also parallel to DC, then automatically AB becomes parallel to DC. AB becomes parallel to DC, and thus we can say that ABCD is the trapezium. This is our concept. Taking this in this way, we are going to prove ABCD is the trapezium. Okay. Now, one more thing what you need to understand is, EF is parallel to AB. And observe properly, EO and FO or YF. EO and FO are part of EF. Part of EF. This EO and FO are part of EF. If EF is parallel to AB by construction, then EO is also parallel to AB. And FO is also parallel to AB. Why? Because EO and FO is part of EF. And EF is parallel to AB. And since EF is parallel to AB and EO and FO are the part of EF, therefore EO is parallel to AB and EF is also parallel to AB. Okay. So, and thereby we will prove EO is parallel to DC. When EF is parallel to AB, EO is also parallel to AB, FO is also parallel to AB. Now I prove that EO is parallel to DC. If EO is parallel to DC, it is as though EF is parallel to DC. Okay. If EF is parallel to DC, then AB is parallel to DC. Thereby, we will prove that ABCD is the trapezium. Did you understand? So this is the way you have to understand. We should know all these things. What I am going to do to bring to arrive at the solution, ABCD is the trapezium. These are the things I do. Okay. Now what is given, we'll see. What is given? ABCD is the quadrilateral. ABCD is a what? We have to prove ABCD is a trapezium. Trapezium. But take ABCD since it has four sides, ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is quadrilateral in which BD and AC and BD are the diagonals intersect at O. BD and AD are what? BD and AD are what? They are diagonals. Are diagonals intersecting at O. Intersecting at O. Okay. This AC and BD, sorry, not AD, this is AC. AC and BD. AC and BD are the diagonals intersecting at O. Intersecting at O. Okay. Now see properly. After this, one condition is given. What is the condition? AO by BO is equals to AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. These are the given aspects writing. These are the data. From here, whatever writing is data. The diagonals of a quadrilateral, it said quadrilateral ABCD. Think ABCD is the quadrilateral. ABCD is the quadrilateral of which AC and BD. AC and BD or BD and AC are the diagonals of this quadrilateral ABCD intersecting. You can see that both are intersecting at O. Okay. And what is the condition? In what way they are intersecting? AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. In such a way it is intersecting. It is given. This is the data is given. Okay. So this can also be written as AO by CO, just interchanging CO to other side and BO to other side. It becomes AO by CO is equals to BO by DO. Both are same. According to our convenience, we have taken this because we need to arrive at ABCD is a trapezium. We have to prove that AB is parallel to DC. Okay. Therefore, we have taken AO by CO is equals to BO by DO. How? By interchanging this. Value will not change. Now make simple construction. What is construction? Construct EF parallel to AB. Construct EF parallel to AB. EF parallel to AB is constructed. I said when EF is parallel to AB, then EO is also parallel to AB and FO is also parallel to AB. Why? It is because EO and FO are the parts of EF. Therefore, they also are parallel. If I say EF is parallel to AB, then EO is also parallel to AB and FO is also parallel to AB. Why? Because EO and FO are the part of EF. If EF is parallel, then these two automatically become parallel. Remember this. Now, from this quadrilateral, we have figured out four triangles. Having AB as a base, two triangle. Having BC as a base, two triangle. Okay. Now I will apply BPT and then I prove converse of BPT so that I will easily get this EF is also parallel to DC. Okay. Now see, consider these are the four triangles figured out from ABCD quadrilateral, in which consider A, B, ABD triangle. ABD triangle. In ABD in triangle ABD, EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB. How? By construction. EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB. Here I have told that EF is parallel to AB. When EF is parallel to AB, EO is also parallel to AB. If EO is parallel to AB, then you can apply basic proportionality theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to a side of a triangle to intersect other two sides at a distinct point, it divides other two sides in the equal ratio or proportionally, which means AE by DE is equals to AE you are taking, so take BO by DO and mark this as 1. Not 1, wait, one more thing we have. Here BO by DO is what? BO by DO. BO by DO is AO by CO. BO by DO is equals to AO by CO. How? By data it is given here. So we can write AE by DE is equals to AO by CO. From here we have got this. How? From data, by data. By data. Because in the data AO by DO is equals to CO by DO. E is nothing but AO by CO is equals to BO by DO. In place of BO by DO, we have written AO by CO. Understand? Mark this as 1. Mark this as 1. Now consider triangle. In triangle ADB, sorry, ADC, taken part here. ADC. In triangle ADC, you observe properly. From one is this one. From 1, AE by DE is equals to AO by CO. In triangle ADC, AE by DE is equals to AO by CO. In triangle ADC, from 1, AE by D is equals to AO. What does it mean? What does it mean? This EO line is dividing other two sides proportionally or in the equal ratio. Means what? If any line divides other two sides of that triangle in the equal ratio, that means that particular line is parallel to DC, parallel to third side. Which means by converse of BPT, by converse of BPT, EO is parallel to DC. EO is parallel to DC. Understood? It's very clear. We have taken triangle this one. EO is parallel to AB and applied basic proportional theorem. We have got this. Once we have got this, condition is given here. BO by DO is nothing but AO by CO. So we have replaced BO by DO as AO by CO. Now mark this as 1 and we consider this triangle ADC. In the ADC, from 1 it is confirmed that AE by DE is equals to AO by CO. What does it mean? It means two sides are dividing in the equal ratio, which means EO is parallel to DC. When EO is parallel to DC, EO is parallel to AB also. EO is parallel to AB from data, by data, and EO is parallel to DC. Just now proved. Therefore, AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. What we want to prove? AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to this. AB is parallel to DC. You want to prove AB is parallel to DC. So once it becomes AB is parallel to DC, then what does it mean? It means that ABCD is trapezium. To prove ABCD is a trapezium, we want to prove AB is parallel to DC or CD. So we have proved AB is parallel to DC, and thus ABCD is trapezium. You can also consider these two triangles and prove AB is parallel to DC. This is one way considering these two triangles I have done. So you can use these two triangles and prove AB is parallel to DC. That also I will show you. See, in triangle ABC, OF is parallel to AB. OF is or FO is parallel to AB. How? By construction. Because EF is parallel to AB, therefore EO is also parallel, OF is also parallel to AB. How? By construction. By construction. Okay. When OF is parallel to AB, you can apply BPT. After applying BPT, you will get BF by FC is equals to AO by OC. AO by OC. Now replace AO by OC. AO by OC, CO, as BO by DO. Replace it. Why? Because AO by CO is nothing but BO by DO. Therefore replaced. Mark this as 1. And now consider that this triangle BDC in triangle BDC in triangle BDC from 1 it is told that BF by FC is equals to BO by DO. Applying converse of basic proportion. What does it mean? So we have proved this and mark this as 1. Now consider second triangle, and from second side it is completely proving BF by FC is equals to BO by DO. It means that by converse of BPT, OF is parallel to DC. OF is parallel to DC. And OF is also parallel to OF, and FO is parallel to AB by data, and FO is also parallel to DC, and therefore AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. If AB is parallel to DC, what does it mean? It means ABCD is trapezium. And thus we have proved in a very, very easy way ABCD is trapezium. Did you understand, children? So as usual, if you have any doubt, you can post your doubts and we will clarify that in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.